Okay, so this short video is just to show you how to make a new team on Teams and also how to send a code out so students can join. So hopefully you can see the page here. This is the team page. Fairly obviously, hopefully, if you go to the top right hand corner, it says join or create teams. Click on that. Okay, now we're going to create a team. So click on create team. And this is a class. So we're using this for discussions and things like that. So you click on class. Okay, so the name. So I'm going to do a dummy one here. So I'm going to put Year 10 Physics dummy. Obviously, you will have to put the year, so Year 7 maths or whatever, or Year 7A maths, Year 7B maths, whatever. And you're going to have to create one for each one of the classes that you teach. You could do a description there, optional. I'm just going to put optional. And then next. Just takes a while. Okay, so you can search for students. If you know the students in your team, if you want to type them in search, I'll find that. So I know Faisal in mine. So if I type Faisal in, I can add him to that team. So you can add them individually like that. That'll take a bit of time. Let's skip that step. Another way is we can send them a class code. So if you go back to your teams, hopefully Year 10 Physics Dummy is there now. Let's have a look. Year 10 Physics Dummy. So click on that. Okay, now if you click on this menu here where it says Manage Team, click on Manage Team. And then I've looked at my piece of paper here where it says Settings. If you click on Settings, and you can get a team code. If you go down the Settings menu there, it says Team Code. Click on that. Generate. Okay, so that is a team code then you can copy and you can send to the students. So what I suggest you do is you actually make this as a homework on Show My Homework, whichever class it is. Let's say it's 7A Maths. Set them a homework saying, right, this is to join my 7A Maths team. Okay, I've already done a video showing them how to join a group using a code, and I'll post that as well. Okay, I think that's it.